Alright, so the church gave us a pew. And Dad come down to pick up to get it. And it's going to go right here, and then I'm going to put the dining room table here. And then we'll have a little extra space to walk around it. Oh, stickers going on the wall? I bet that precedent. This thing right here is totally worth the entire mortgage to me. I really, really love this built-in. I'm going to put all the arts and crafts down here. Then you take them out, put them on the dining room table. Do they work? Some of them work. Oh, there's also,
They have to be cleaned out.
in here, there is a mysterious key.
A skeleton key.
So that could go to any of the old doors that still work.
I think there's only the front door is the original one, so I meant to check and see if it fits. This is laminate on top of hardwood floor. Yeah, and it's a huge tripping hazard. And someone decided, I don't need to measure, I'll just lift this up against the wall here, it'll be fine.
I wonder if they could take off this plywood.
I'm just not gonna bother. I'm just gonna...
Well, I think originally the carpet was kind of over that, leaving that edge down, right? It's when they moved the carpet.
Where's that carpet?
Corey might have an idea for that.
Okay, we'll have Corey look at it.
This is helpful here.
What?
That you can't open this cabinet. There's a lot of stuff in here.
Things to explore.
Grandma's going to be here cleaning out our...
Someday, years and years from now, I need to get rid of this crap, this weird light fixture. But let's go see if this key works.
Turn it on first. I want to see if it
Turn what on?
works. Here's a really nice new microwave.
Yep, they replaced the microwave.
With
Oh,
a
hey, there's a lock right here. That's nice. That's the basement. I'm just gonna lock it.
They left you all the cleaning stuff.
The piano's
And
still
light
there.
bulbs. Awesome. Oh, wait, where does this store?
Mom,
Wait.
keep up.
Is that what the key is for?
I don't know. That's what I want to find out.
Might be.
Well, I think I might have just accidentally made it open. No, it just doesn't latch.
This is a nice piano.
Sure, it's just taking up the entire living room.
But then it's a piano.
Wait, can I
But
see
it's
for a
taking up the
second?
entire living room.
Can we switch?
Yeah.
So I'm sorry, I think.
Oh yeah,
First
yeah. The
video
sink
ended.
is still not draining very quickly.
We could get a plunger and some nail and a snake.
Well, a Drano might be bad for the old pipes.
Really?
It's possible that it's all just clogged up right here, though, in the U-shaped pipe.
I used Drano on my pipes. My house is the same age. Done it several times.
Really?
Oh, they literally just put the toilet in. Okay. I'm thinking of just turning this into a shelf, taking the door off. Because it's not a very deep closet.
Right, like it doesn't need a door.
I can't fit a whole lot of towels in there, so I might just make it a shelf, but I don't know. It is gonna be my room. There's two different closets and they're decently sized.
Oh, look at that.
All of this needs to be painted because it's wrong.
You don't like sunshine happy yellow?
I don't think the sunshine
You like
yellow
sinful
works with my
black.
blood red bedroom.
I love that closet.
And turn that on.
Aren't those adorbs?
Oh yeah, turn on that switch.
Oh, it's a tiny
It
candle.
flickers. I think that's really cool.
It's a special bulb. Grandma, Rosie keeps thinking about you crossing the street and feeling very scared about you.
It's a stain.
Scared about you. Oh my goodness. Sad person thinking.
Right? It's just a sin. It's a war crime to paint over a 101-year-old wood. A shelf. Looks like a mounted shelf. Or part of one. would like all this wallpaper to go. And this is ridiculous, but I'm not gonna bother with it. I don't match any of the other stuff we have.
What do you think of the fan, huh?
Green star.
Yeah, the kids' bedrooms still have the trim.
This is nice flooring, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Stars. He likes the stars.
Do you want me to take off the green stars?
Oh boy.
That has a purple light bulb in it.
This is the foster bedroom, and it is the wrong color.
What about the other baby bedroom?
That kid's gonna have to share. I already got new space.
Look how beautiful this would look as.
I know.
It's
hilarious. I wish this was in my room, but
Are you going to keep these shutters?
yeah, why not?
Gosh, this is beautiful. It's very pretty. There's some very fancy carpet that looks like the carpet in Grandma Rosie's house.
1970 carpet.
Look at this kind of carpet. What's this thing? It's a Barbie desk. Aw.
Sweet.
Bye.
Oh, are you going bye-bye? Okay, I'll see you later.
Oh, this is adorable. And
That's pretty much the last.
cuter than I would have thought. And look at carpet on top of carpet.
Yeah, someday I'm ripping all of it out.
And underneath, beautiful hardwood.
Exactly.
Oh, there
You
is?
put a
Awesome.
nice
You could
old-timey rug in here
You could
instead.
rip all of it out right away.
Well, might as well let it get wrecked while we're painting and moving and stuff.
Well, that's true. But I think it'll come right off.
Yeah, and if the floor needs to be sanded and restained, I'd rather put that off. Took what out? Terrible. Yeah, it's got a million billion holes in it that I have to. I mean, I put the putty in. I put the wood putty into the holes. I just need to stain it now. It does look pretty nice. Look at that. Sorry, I thought you heard us.
No sound was heard.
Surprise.
Look what Grandma's doing.
You gotta put your blocks away.
No.
Yes.
Go for a walk?
No.
We did go for a walk.
What did you say?
Not much.